Imagine this. You just type a message on your Discord, WhatsApp, or Telegram, and within a few seconds, your chatbot generates a video for you. And guys, just look at the result. How amazing this video is. Sounds unbelievable, right? But this is actually possible with Pexo Ai and OpenClaw. You just need to connect these two, and you can generate even more amazing videos like this. And yes, I'm talking about Pexo Ai, an AI video agent that works completely through chat. So guys, this is Pexo. Right now, I'm on its website, and let me show you how simple this is. Making a video here is literally like texting a friend. No fancy prompts, no detailed descriptions, no editing skills, none of that. You just upload your product image and tell it what you want in your own words, plain and simple, and hit enter. That's it. And this is what makes a Pexo Ai completely different from other AI video tools. You don't need prompt engineering or technical skills. You just talk to it. Once I hit enter, Pexo doesn't just go off and generate something random. It can understand my demand and give smart suggestions. Like when I said it's a short clip for INS, it recommended 15 seconds, 9 to 16 vertical. But when I said I wanted a brand ad for a website, it suggested 15 seconds, 16 to 9 horizontal. After that, Pexo asks you to upload your influencer image. So I just uploaded my influencer image. Then hit enter, and Pexo starts producing. The whole thing just feels natural, like working with someone who actually gets what you want. And the best part, you can watch the whole process, how it's thinking, how it's planning each scene, what models it's picking. It's completely transparent. You're not just staring at a loading bar hoping for the best. You see everything in real time. And behind the scenes, Pexo is actually selecting the best AI models automatically for you. You don't have to choose anything. Now, a few minutes later, Pexo delivers a complete video, not raw clips you need to piece together. A finished video with music, transitions, pacing, everything is already added, ready to post. And this is what I mean by it finishes the job. You don't need to open CapCut, Premiere, or any other editing software to touch it up. It's already done. Now guys, let's review the full video.
Nashua, a new fragrance.
Wow, this turned out way better than I expected. Pexo is definitely an amazing product, no doubt, and a single video can be up to 2 minutes long. But here's the thing, it doesn't end there. You can keep the conversation going. Want to add another 30 seconds to the video? Just say so. Want to batch generate multiple versions based on this one? Just tell it, and it will generate it. Let's check the result.
Nashua, a new fragrance.
And it's not limited to video. You can tell Pexo to generate a cover image, a thumbnail, whatever you need, all in the same chat. It just keeps delivering. And even if you just need basic editing, like splitting a long video into multiple short clips for different platforms, Pexo can do that too. Just tell it what you need, and it handles it. No extra software required. And guys, this part might blow your mind. Say you're watching the video and one shot just doesn't feel right, the lighting's off, the angle's weird, whatever. With any other tool, you'd have to open an editor, find the exact frame, figure out which layer to adjust, tweak a bunch of settings. With Pexo, you can click on Mark to Fix, literally just circle the part you want to change, and type, make this darker, or change this to smoke. That's it. Like pointing at your coworker's screen and going, yo, fix this, and it just fixes it. You can see how amazing it looks now. No timeline, no layers, no headache. And this is basically editing without editing. Just point, comment, and it fixes it for you. So yeah, guys, this was my experience with Pexo Ai, an AI video agent that actually feels like a creative partner, not just a tool. If you want to try this yourself, I've put my invite link and code in the description. You can sign up and test it out. And important, this is currently in closed beta, so invites are limited. If the code doesn't work, make sure to join their official Discord community. You'll find more invites there. Also, I've added the full product guide link in the description so you can understand everything step by step. Let me know in the comments. Would you actually use AI like this for your videos?